What is Credential ID in LinkedIn certification? The Credential ID is a unique identifier assigned to each certification you earn through their platform. It's used as a reference number to verify and identify your specific certification. This ID can be useful when you need to showcase your certification or when potential employers or other wants to verify your credentials. If you are looking for your credential ID for a particular certification on LinkedIn, you can usually find it in the certification details section or in the certification PDF document you received upon completion. So, this was it about Credential ID in LinkedIn certification. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.